Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect Digest, and here we have some cool accessories from Choetech, which I'm going to unbox and show you today. And these are some really useful accessories for your Android as well as iPhone flagship phones, which come with wireless charging. We have got a quick charge 3 USB charger, we have got a lightning cable, and a bunch of the USB Type-C cables. So if you have just picked up your latest generation smartphone like the S9 Plus or the iPhone 10, these are the accessories that would come in very handy and useful. So here we have a set of braided USB Type-C cables, and as you can see from the blue color, these are USB 3 compatible. So these are high quality, fast charging braided USB cables. And if you look at the tips, this is metal, this part, this is high quality plastic, and the wire is braided, so it is really high in quality. So these are some Type-C cables. Here we have a lightning cable. This is a 1 meter cable. All these accessories are very competitively priced and they are very good value for money, especially if you compare it to the official cable pricing that you get from Apple directly or you get from other manufacturers like Samsung. These cables are a bargain and they are more durable because they are high quality braided cables. They would last you really long and they perform really well. They're also fast in speed. This one specifically is very good in quality, has a very tough braiding on the edges, and besides that it's not very expensive. I'm leaving Best Buy links to all these products in the description section. And here we have a fast wireless charging pad, which is another thing that will set you back quite heftily if you go for a branded fast wireless charger. But this one from Choetech is not very expensive. It is a bargain. In fact, just check the prices in the description section. It is selling for good deal on the Choetech website, and you can also find them on Amazon. It's a really cute looking panda shaped or rather panda design wireless charger, and this is how it looks. Just to give you a fair idea, when I say fast charging, it has 5 volt 2 ampere and 9 volt 1.8 ampere input, and output is maximum 10 watt. So it's not as fast as the quick charge 3 or quick charge 2 or the iPhone quick charging with cable, but nevertheless in terms of wireless, this is fast charging. 10 watt is considered fast charging for wireless. And last but not the least, this accessory here, I'm really fond of these adapters. They don't take up a lot of wall plugs, but they offer great value because you just plug them in and you have multiple USB ports. These come in really handy. I already have a bunch of these around my home and office. It has 2 fast charging quick charge 3.0 ports, and you can take it on travel. It's really compact, and it has this collapsible plug style. Just plug it into the wall and you have not 1 but 2 quick charge 3.0 compatible charging ports. This is very compact and a must-have accessory for your travel. So these are all some really useful accessories you can pick from Choetech. They make a lot of useful and high-quality accessories. So I really want you to check out the links in the description. You may find something that is useful for you. This is all we have on this quick short video. If you want to win either of these in a giveaway, do let us know in the comment section. We'll be running a surprise giveaway. We might end up giving away some or all of these in coming weeks. So make sure you leave a comment below with which of these you like the most. Also, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Share this with your friends. Subscribe for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.